So here we are. We start with an empty loop, and to record the first loop, you have to use the foot switch linked to the record square. Then you press the B button. It starts recording. To stop, you press the C button. Then, to record a new loop, you will need to press 2 times on the B switch, like this. One, two, recording. If you press play now, it's meaning also the B button. I press play 1 time. Stop, C button. And then I want to undo. So I just pressed 1 time the A button corresponding to the undo thing. 1 time, quickly. And then, if you press play again on the B button, the second loop has gone. And if I press the A button for a long time, it flashes, and then if I press play, everything is back. So for undo, you just press 1 time quickly the A button, and for redo, you press a long time the A button, and it should work. And don't forget, to record a second loop, you need to press 2 times the B button. Thank you. Bye.